So good afternoon everyone. We're here at Cafe 55 in Valencia. We got here like about a week ago. So I did have plans to go hire out a motorbike, but it never panned out. So we're here on the recommendations of Freddie Dobbs. For those who don't know him, go and follow him on his channel. And we just met Victor. I just spoke to him for a little while, and he's got these lovely bikes to rent. That's Victor's personal bike. It's as you can see, it's a Mutt. It's a 125cc engine. So yeah, it's a nice little bike to run around town in. And this one over here is for rent. Come over here. The thing is, what I was talking about Victor about was this bike here. It's more like a rally bike. So this is for rent. If you want to hire this out for a day, it costs you about £55. So yeah, it's a really good bike to run around with. The only thing I don't particularly like about this is the lean angle. It's quite bit precarious for me. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to take you inside the shop and just show you the apparel. Although it says a cafe, it doesn't sell coffee. But anyway, it doesn't matter. We'll have a look around. Look at the stuff he sells. It's his own personal line. I did actually ask him why it's Cafe 55, what the significance is. Maybe he's 55 years of age, I don't know, but hey. So he's hoping to expand on this to have something like Bike Shed in London. He loves the idea of having a bike to come through a restaurant or through his cafe. So yeah, he's a lovely gentleman, very open, very honest in what he wants to do. So let's have a look. Hi everyone, we're just here. Just thought I'd bring you to this place. I just found it a nice place. It's been open since 1836, and I just thought I'd take you inside. Been given a free tour. This is a place where lots of dignitaries have come in the past, mayors and presidents, and yeah, dignitaries, as I say. So it's going to be a nice place. We've just eaten here, just like tapas. They do really good quality wines and really good quality food, and you just ask for anything. So we're just going to be taken on a tour to see all the different kinds of wines in the los barrillos, they say. So the barrels of wine where they ferment and make the wine. So yeah, come with me and we'll have a little look.